Few days ago ngenze ivideo la ngontombazane wendla neAfrica owenza imarketing on different brands emva kokuthi ehlulekile ukwenza ama-sales ku-Digital Boss Academy. And nami bengayazi le module le ekhulunywa ngayo, because uyayithatha sometimes i-product and uye ukuyifunda le part le oyithandayo. Angithi inkulu le product le u-DBA mkhulu, and mostly uthatha u-DBA 1, 2, 3 uma ube mkhulu kakhulu. Uwodwa nje volume 1 uwodwa nje uthatha isikhathi ukuthi ufunde ungenaso isikhathi vele. So bengazi mina ukuthi ulapha phambi kwami ehlami lento akhuluma ngawo, bayibiza nge-UGC, ikhona kwi-volume 1. I go through it namhlanje because lo mntwana akazange achaze ukuthi itholakalaphi. Ngangena kuyona, hey, information lapha, it's mind blowing. It's mind blowing. Kafushane nje le yanto ekuthiwa i-branding ithi you can start and market ama-brand ahlukene lawa anormal owasebenzisayo every day of your life. Then you contact lawo ma-brand. In fact, uqala ngokwenza something like a profile, then uyaw-contacta lawo ma-brand uwatshela ukuthi I'm interested to work with you guys in terms of marketing. Let's sit down and make a deal. Then you start here ukuthi nenze leyo deal. Then i-deal yenu izo-involve izinto zokuthi nizokhokhelana kanjani, izoma kanjani into ekanjalo. Then you start working. Ifanele uyenze at least so many of ama-brands akhona lawo wajwayele wasebenzisayo every day of your life. Akudingi ucabanga into e-complicated ukuthi inkosi yami iyona yiphi, futhi akufuni ucabanga ukuthi fanele ngiwenze ngale ndlela engeke ngiwabona bewenza ngayo ko-television. No, la ufuna into ehlukile because ne-market yakhona ihlukile. Izinto lezi-ke ey'tholakala laphana ku-Digital Boss Academy engikhuluma ngayo. Une-discount ngeke ngayisho ey'nsukwini, iwu-30% discount. Ungaya nje laphana kwi-comment section yami noma umane ulifollow i-page lami lika-Stasami. Kuzokusiza lokho because information izoloku iqhamukile guys, izoloku iqhamukile ezokutshela nje ngokuthi what yini esiphethe entsha, and le information sobe simtshela mahhala yona. Wena kuphela if you are interested, usithela kancane eceleni usho ukuthi hayi no, ngiyayidinga le information, but ikhona inamba lapha. Thank you.